Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. The cost of the land if 1 meter square of the land cost rupees 10,000. Let us find. Suppose this is a rectangular piece of land. This is a rectangular piece of land. Suppose this is a rectangular piece of land. This one. This is a rectangle, right? And the length of the land is 500 meter. This is 500 meter. And the breadth is 300 meter. 300 meter. Right? You find the area of a rectangle. We know that area of a rectangle is equal to area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here length is given as 500 and breadth is given as 300 and meter into meter is meter square. So we are getting 3 5 is 15. How many zeros? 4. 1 2 3 4 meter square. Therefore we find that the area of the rectangle is 150000 meter square. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Find the cost of the land if 1 meter square of land cost rupees 10,000. Now question number 2. To find the cost, therefore 1 meter square of the land, 1 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000. Therefore 15 40 1 2 3 4 meter square of the land costs rupees 10,000 into 1540 1 2 3 4 and that comes to rupees 15. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. After 3 zeros we will get a comma. After 2 zeros we would put a comma. After 2 zeros and this rupees, right? Therefore the cost of the land is 15000000. This is the answer or solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.